Log into your account. Click on Add Employee and fill out the first name, last name, email, role. For the account, the lowest role that you can award to someone is employee. Status, for example, employed. Department, office, and job role is something that you can add afterwards. Start date, for example, the beginning of the month. And right now, you can click on Create Account. By clicking on Save, you're just going to add an employee. But Create an Account is the one that we need to click on. An account has been created. This person right here did get an email. This email will contain your username, password, and where to go to log into the account. And at any time, you can always click on the user that you created on the account and added information, as well how you can recognize a simple employee. And an account created is by these icons. Icon of an account is going to be this little person, and just an employee is going to have this plus sign. Thank you.